Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your HSBC account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar click over there and type in hsbc.co.uk like this and hit enter. You can simply search for HSBC login like this in Google. You will land up on the same page. Let's close this and let's continue with the main website. To log into your HSBC banking account, you can see the logon option over here. Click over there to log in, and after that you will be landed on this page where you need to enter your username like this one provided by the bank itself and hit continue. And next you will be required to enter your password, and then you'll be logged into your HSBC account. Or if you forgot your username, just click over here to reset your username, or you can just register for HSBC Bank right now. Click here to register on HSBC. And there guys, this is how you log into your HSBC account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.